Tehillim 115. Not to us, Yahuwah, not to us, but to your name give glory, for your chesed and for your truth's sake. Why should the nations say, where is their Elohim now? But our Elohim is in the heavens. He does whatever he pleases. Their idols are silver and gold, the work of men's hands. They have mouths, but they don't speak. They have eyes, but they don't see. They have ears, but they don't hear. They have noses, but they don't smell. They have hands, but they don't feel. They have feet, but they don't walk, neither do they speak through their throat. Those who make them will be like them, yes, everyone who trusts in them. Israel, trust in Yahuwah. He is their help and their shield. House of Aharon, trust in Yahuwah. He is their help and their shield. You who fear Yahuwah, trust in Yahuwah. He is their help and their shield. Yahuwah remembers us. He will bless us. He will bless the house of Israel. He will bless the house of Aharon. He will bless those who fear Yahuwah, both small and great. May Yahuwah increase you more and more, you and your children. Blessed are you by Yahuwah, who made heaven and earth. The heavens are the heavens of Yahuwah, but the earth has he given to the children of men. The dead don't praise Yah, neither any who go down into silence. But we will bless Yah from this time forth and forevermore. Hallelujah.